Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today, we are going to be unboxing the Dell Bluetooth Travel Mouse, the MS700. And we did come to market a little while ago with the black version of this, but very recently we launched the Misty Blue. Looks awesome. Let's jump in. So this is the MS700. This is a standard Bluetooth mouse, connects up to 3 devices. It's got this twist and go mechanism, which is pretty slick to turn it on and turn it off. 3-year advanced exchange warranty. From a DPI setting, you can go all the way up to 4000 DPI. You'll use Dell Peripheral Manager to customize some of those settings. So pulling the seal, place that aside. Voila. Oh man, colors are awesome. It's a really beautiful mouse, Misty Blue. Batteries would go in there. It's 2 AAAs. Button down here to toggle the input, 1, 2, and 3. But pretty sweet. Warranty, safety, regulatory information. Got the battery installed. Slide that. Pop them in. Put it back. And you're good to go. Using Dell Pair, you press the button. It's automatically going to pop up on your Dell device if it supports Dell Pair. And you follow on-screen prompts and you'll be able to connect it there. Quick call out again, 24 months of battery life, pretty awesome. Obviously, it's going to depend on your use case and how you're using the mouse. But twist and go, pretty seamless. If you look at the color, putting this in your bag if you're traveling, hybrid work, doesn't take up a ton of space, looks pretty sleek. We'll do the black one. Black, Misty Blue, the black mouse, Misty Blue, twist and go, pretty sweet. So you got the MS700 plugged in on screen. I've pulled up Dell Peripheral Manager just to show you. So from a device status perspective, you do see that the Misty Blue mouse is paired to my Precision Mobile Workstation over here. From a mouse setting perspective, you can adjust touch scroll sensitivity, so how you interact with the touch scroll bar over there. You have your left click, right click, depending on your use. And then DPI settings, as I mentioned, 1600 is default. If you want it a little lower, you can put it 1000. If you want higher, 2400 or 4000. So you do have some customization right at your fingertips. So this is the Dell Bluetooth Travel Mouse, the MS700. Here's the one in Misty Blue. We also have the black one. Thanks so much for tuning in. Take care.